If you're seeing Epic Games error IS-0003, install failed, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that can get the Epic Games launcher working again. This error usually shows up when something interrupts the install process, and in many cases it can be caused by a temporary system issue, a weak internet connection, not enough disk space, or corrupted game files. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. Before we jump in, please hit like and subscribe if this tutorial helps you out, because it really supports the channel and helps more people find quick fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is restart your PC. This may sound basic, but it is one of the most effective ways to clear temporary glitches that can stop Epic Games installations from completing properly. A restart refreshes background services, clears stuck processes, and gives your system a clean start before trying the install again. After your computer boots back up, take a moment to check your internet connection. Epic Games downloads and installs can fail if your connection is unstable, so make sure you are on a reliable Wi-Fi network or even better, a wired Ethernet cable if you have one available. If your connection is dropping, the launcher may lose communication with Epic servers and throw the IS-0003 arrow again. If possible, run a quick speed test or try loading another website to confirm that your internet is working normally. Next, check your available disk space. One of the most common reasons for install failure is that the drive does not have enough free space to complete the download or unpack the files. Open File Explorer, go to this PC, and look at the storage on the drive where you were trying to install the game. If the space is running low, clear out temporary files, uninstall apps you no longer use, or choose another drive with more room. In some cases, even if the download appears small, the installation process may need extra space for decompression in temporary files, so giving yourself some breathing room is always a smart move. After that, go back into the Epic Games launcher and verify the game files. If the game partially installed before failing, some of the files may be missing or damaged. Verifying the files helps the launcher check what is already installed and re-download anything that is corrupted or incomplete. To do this, open your library, find the game that is giving you the error, click the three dots next to it, and choose Verify. Let the process finish completely, even if it takes a while. Once that's done, try the install again and see if the issue is resolved. If the error continues, it may help to close the Epic Games launcher completely and reopen it after each step, so the launcher starts fresh and picks up the changes you just made. In many cases, combining these three fixes, restarting your PC, making sure your connection is stable, checking your disk space, and verifying your game files, is enough to solve Epic Games error IS-0003. If you are still getting the same message after that, you may need to clear any leftover install data or try the installation again from a different folder. But for most users, the steps in this video are the fastest and safest place to start. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you fix the IS-0003 install failed error, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.